Hi guys, Carlyvoinski, and today we're talking about exogenous ketones and if they are necessary or needed for people like us who are already eating a ketogenic diet. Now, as we have this conversation, I'm going to just be telling you my story, my experience, and kind of what I've gone through and seen and heard, and again, a lot of it that was firsthand experience. You know, I can tell you before I ever started doing the ketogenic diet, I was, reading things about it, seeing things about it, and hearing amazing stuff, but also thinking like, man, some of this stuff is really, really strict. Learning about ketosis, and when you get into ketosis in the ketogenic diet, it can take you a long time to get into ketosis, but then the littlest thing will snap you right out of it, and I just didn't know if I had it in me to be able to monitor and urinate on sticks, prick my blood, swab something in my mouth. I was like, that seems so invasive to me. I just didn't want to do it. And I was looking for something, but I was like, all right, the foods seem okay. Let me try this. So I started cutting back on the carbs, started kind of eating keto a little bit, and nothing was really happening, I guess. And I just kind of, I don't know, I felt better cutting out the carbs, but nothing was happening with my body in the way that I wanted it to. And I used to be heavier, and I just wasn't getting it. And then some of my family introduced me to exogenous ketones, and I kind of thought, okay, well, it says gets you in ketosis within an hour. That's insane, right? And then fueling your brain and energy and all these things, it all sounded great. So I said, okay. So I tried a 10-day experience, and I thought to myself, well, if nothing else, at least with the 10-day experience, I can test it out, see if it does anything, and if it doesn't do anything, the 10 days are over and it's no big deal. Well, can I tell you, in the 10-day experience, that I instantly felt the energy that it promised to have. I immediately felt more focused and not as forgetful, and just I wasn't as snappy as I guess I used to be with my kids and stuff. And I lost 7 pounds in those 10 days. And I was amazed. I mean, I flew down on the scale, and I said to myself, okay, I need to keep trying these and see what the deal is. And so I went ahead and I got more, and it's been a part of my lifestyle now daily ever since. And what it does for me is not only is it the energy, but the fact that it helps me stay in ketosis when I'm really eating more lazy keto. I'm probably more strict maybe than some others, but really, especially on the weekends, I'm definitely more lazy keto. I've kind of figured out the foods that I'm eating. I'm not tracking as much as I used to. There are days where if I feel like I really need to get a handle on what I'm doing, where I'll sit and track everything, but I'm not anymore, really, for the most part. And I have an idea of what foods I can eat and what I can, and how much of each thing I can have. And my ketones really help me stay in that state of ketosis, where I have now dropped over 20 pounds. I just recently celebrated that, and I was so excited about it. And not only have they helped me lose weight, but they have also definitely helped me remove the urge to snack. They have made this a lifestyle change for me, and not just something that's short term. And holidays with my family and vacations with my family. We are, me and my husband are a couple that we like to restaurant hop. We'll go around from one place to the next, and for us that's a really fun date day and check things out. You can hear my dog freaking out. But we seriously love so much to do that. And when you're eating keto, there are definitely things you can eat at restaurants, but if you're being super strict about it, it's not at all feasible a lot of times to enjoy the different local cuisine that you want to try out, So the ketones have helped with that. Recently, we went out for our anniversary, and I kind of gave up on everything, and I said, I'm gonna just enjoy myself. I had foods that I haven't had in months. I've had drinks I haven't had in months, and I, in the moment, could feel the fact that I was eating a lot of carbs. However, the next day, I didn't have a carb hangover. I was not bloated. I was not irritable. I did not gain a ton of water weight, and it was because that day, especially when I know I'm eating like that, I had 2 ketones that day, and it really helped control all of that. And for me, that makes this sustainable. That makes this lifestyle something that I can do, because there is something that I also enjoy drinking, because I think they just taste great. And it's now become a part of my daily life. And if that seems like something that could possibly work for you, I did put in the description of this video a link to a 10-day experience pack so that you can try them out for yourselves and you can experience the energy and the clarity and the weight loss and the fat burning that I did, you know, and even improves your digestion. It is so crazy how much you can almost see your body healing by having extra ketones in your system. It's really pretty incredible. And knowing that you're in a state of ketosis within an hour without having to be so invasive to yourself. Now, doesn't mean that you can't. You can totally still do all those tests if you guys want to do it. My dog is so mad right now. But I just am not ever gonna do those. There's no way. I don't want to be a part of pricking myself to see if I'm losing weight. I want to be able to do it and enjoy it while I'm doing this, and I am enjoying this lifestyle. I'm enjoying being able to eat pretty good keto Monday through Friday. On the weekends I have the time with my family where I get to enjoy myself, and it's going really, really well. So again, if this is something that you're interested in, there's a 10-day link down there, and go ahead and click it. You can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and I would love to just come alongside you guys and what your goals are. You know, I'm reaching mine, and I would love to see you all reach yours as well. So go ahead, like this video, hit the subscribe button. When we hit 100 subscribers, we're having a giveaway. Hit the bell, and you'll get notified when the giveaway happens, and you'll always be in the loop.